So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can apply motion blur to any movement on Premiere Pro that would make it look even more smoother other than the robotic movement. Now for example, if I want to apply the motion blur to this particular clip, either I can just simply search for motion blur right there, but there's no effects just like that. Now in order to get that, just simply search for transform right there. Now once you hit on the transform option right there, you simply need to search for the option of this transform, apply it to your video clip that you want to apply the effect. Now under the transform section, just simply go to the option of distort right there. Now here under the shutter angle, select this value to around almost 180. Now once you do it and hit enter, you'll notice that a slight motion blur have been added to that particular clip, and it will give a better and smoother look to the scene. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.